Good morning. In this video, I will show you how to use a swaging tool. So here's the set of swaging tools from 5/8, 1/2, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4. So these are the sizes usually needed in refrigeration and air conditioning. In swaging a copper tube, we will be needing this flaring bar. This will help to hold the copper tube before we are going to swage. Okay, so same procedure pa rin tayo. Hanapin ng ka-size ng ating copper tube sa ating flaring bar. So ilalagay natin ito. So ang magiging sample natin is 3/8. So 3/8 ang ating sample, then lalagay ulit natin dito, but this time usually natin tansyahin yung isi-swage. So, pag nahigpitan na guys, yan, so nahigpitan na natin ang ating flaring bar, then kunin ang size ng copper tube sa ating swaging tool na 3/8. So, kailangan bukain natin ito. Yan, so ilalagay natin yan, then sunod dyan, pupukpukin lang natin ito. Alright. So, pag nabuka na ninyo, so tanggalin lang siya. So, ayan. So, tanggalin sa ating flaring tool. Unahin ulit ang mas malayo. Then, yung mas malapit para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay. So, ganyan lang siya guys. Paggamit ng ating swaging tool, it is very useful para kung tayo ay nag-i-install. So, swaging tool is very useful when we are installing air conditioning kapag tayo ay kinulang sa ating piping at kailangan natin magdugtong. Use a swaging tool para hindi magsingaw ang ating copper tube. Ayan siya guys, then hinangin na. Then ang sunod guys, after nyo na ma-swage, so kailangan nyong hinangin gamit ang mop gas. Yan, so ito yung mop gas, then silver rod. So ayan siya guys, kailangan hinangin. Kapag hihinang, kailangan lang bagang-baga ang ating tubo bago tayo hinang. In silver brazing, point directly the flame of mop gas in the center of the two copper tube to be soldered. Pag naghinang, ayun na magbaga ang ating tubo. Wait until copper tube will glow or turns red, then apply the silver rod. Okay, ilayo lang ng konti pagka nalusaw na, then balik. Now set flame of mop gas in medium heat. So, sinaan ng konti ang apoy. Yan, para makapalan ng kanyang hinang. So, kapalan lang ang paghihinang para maiwasan natin ang leak sa ating copper tube. Then wait again till it glows. Then apply silver rod till you covered it around. And heat it well to melt the silver rod proportionally. Lutuin lang na maayos ang ating silver rod para iwas ang leak. Right, so ayan na. After silver brazing, double check your work. Let it cool down for a while. Ito na yung ating finished product. Hugasan muna natin. Right, so ito na siya guys. So kailangan lutong-luto para hindi sumingaw ang ating copper tube. So that's the simple technique on how to swage copper tube and how to silver braze. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you find this subject interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the bell button to be notified in our next video. Thank you.